How to create anchor links. Now, in order to do that, first, select in here the page that you wish to edit. I'll head over and edit right here on my home page. Once it's been selected, you just need to find the heading or section on your page that you want to be the destination for your anchor link. For example, let's choose in here our header. You can click onto the edit site header as well as edit design option that you should be able to see right there. Now, in the HTML of this section, you can add unique ID attribute with a descriptive name. Like if you want to link this to the contact us page, you can just input ID equals contact us. Now in there, you just need to create the anchor link next with a clickable link. So on the body of your text, select the word or phrase that you want to make clickable. So for example, let's do this onto the actual part right here. Then from in there, click onto this pencil icon. And in here, you can see this link option. Now into this part, what we can do is you can just click on this URL and you can choose file as well as email and phone. Now into this, you just input right your hash key. Then after that, input right here the target ID. For example, let's put in here contact us. And then after that, just save it. And then you can just test the link if it works if you actually click on a particular anchor link from that. So that's how you create anchor links. Hope we help.